Hi, myself Eswaramurth, Business Unit Head for LLS Automation. So we are at IMTEX 2025. We are very excited to present products here to enhance productivity and improvement quality. So we have a channel partner for global market leaders from. So we have Big Deshova from Japan. They are offering good boring tools to that industry. And we have forming tools from Anaj from Czech Republic. And we have couch marking machines from Spain. And from Castro, we are offering the bandsaw machines. And also we are having a vertical storage system as well. And also we are offering accessories for machine tools. That is rotary tables from TJR. And we have special angle heads from Pibo Multi. And also we are offering special machines from Toyo grinding machines and as well as multi-spindle ZPS machines. So we are in the plan to add further products in this one. And apart from this, we are offering gantry solutions to the market. So complete machine tending solution which includes gantry system as well as robotic integration. And we have developed a standard gantry that directly fit to our LMW machines. And also we are offering solution to the market. So that third vertical, we are offering a textile automation solution as well. So our company is almost 2 decades old company. Almost 200 plus employees are there. We have good design engineers from design to execution. We have a team, agile team to work on it. So in the upcoming years, we want to add a few further principles in this one. Excellent principles from the globe. We want to present to this one. Thank you.